How to fix Google Chrome not opening on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back. If Google Chrome won't open on your Android phone, keeps crashing, shows a blank screen, or closes instantly, don't worry, you can try these fixes in order. One of them usually solves it. Let's get started. First thing you have to do is restart your phone. So long press on your power button, then you can find the restart option. Just tap on it, and what it does is it's going to reboot and fix the temporary glitches on your device. Once that is done, you can try to force stop Chrome. Long press on Chrome, tap on the I button, and tap on the force stop icon at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it, tap on OK, and it's going to force stop the Chrome, so you can open it again. After doing that, you can clear Chrome's cache. So for that, go over to the same settings, tap on storage down below, then tap on clear cache. You don't want to clear data here because everything you've saved on your Google Chrome will be deleted, including your account login info and everything else. Then what you can do is try to update Google Chrome and Android System Web View depending on the version. Check if there are any updates available. So for that, you can just go ahead and tap on this exact settings again. Go back and find app details in store. And it's going to take you to Google Play Store. If you see an update button here instead of open, just update the app to its latest version. Should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.